So cool, science! Can you make things invisible? Well, that's a wicked cool question, and I got a wicked cool answer. See, now you can't see things. You won't need mystical magic, slanted mirrors, or even cheap editing. Which, let's be completely honest, because editing is not magic. But it can magically, make your mistakes disappear. Is that the line? That's so stupid. All right. Because today, I'm going to show you how to make something go invisible right before your eyes. And it's going to be real easy. Like, seriously, any simpleton can do it. Like that simpleton that works at Walmart that screwed up my $1,000 money order. Walmart, our customer service is as good as a squirrel behind the wheel. So, go ahead and get yourself some soap. Oh, and by the way, the soap has to have the main ingredient of glycerin. Because, see, I know what's going to happen. Because you're going to go do this, and you're going to be like, I tried it didn't work, and your video's supposed to be like science, and you can't do it, and you can do it at home, and you... Start by getting a plastic bottle and cutting the top off of the bottle. Place a glass salt shaker in the bottle. Now, pour some soap inside the salt shaker as well as covering the salt shaker. And check it out. Now that's what I call invisible. Wow, now that's so friggin' wicked cool. You just made the salt shaker go completely invisible. Now that's so wicked cool. See, it's so wicked cool because you thought like if you pour something in, you'd still be able to see the salt shaker. You didn't see the salt shaker disappeared. Completely invisible. Why does the soap make the salt shaker, seem to go invisible? Well, don't look at me. Take a closer look at this. Normally, the speed of light in a vacuum is 300,000 kilometers every second. However, as light passes through different types of matter, such as liquids or gases, light gets slowed down as it interacts with the molecular makeup. This causes refraction or bending of the light. The speed at which light travels through matter we call the refraction index. When you see the plastic container and the salt shaker, light gets slowed down as it passes through the plastic, and then slowed down even more as it passes through the glass, which allows enough time for light to bounce off of both items so we can see both the glass and the plastic container. When you cover the glass in glycerin, the light slows down as it passes through the plastic bottle. Since the glycerin and the glass have the same refractive index, the light travels through the glycerin as well as the glass at the same speed, which makes the glass appear invisible. Light travels so fast that at the equator, light would circle the Earth in 1/10 of a second. So now you know more about refraction index. Being able to make a salt shaker appear invisible right at home is why science is crystal clear.